the reason I brought the camera today because I wanted to share with you a little ditty from this book. This book is called Designed to Move. It's written by a researcher who worked with the NASA astronauts to determine what the effects of being in space were. So it's a woman, she did a lot of research about it, and what she comes up with in her studies is that we have to work against gravity as often as we can because that's what strengthens our bones and our muscles, right? So she came up with this idea that our culture is sitting way too much. And they did studies and studies about people sitting. And what they found out is it's more advantageous for you to get up every 30 minutes if you're sitting a lot than it is for you to sit for 5 or 6 hours at a time and then go out and run and go to the gym for an hour, hour and a half. So it's all about really changing the gravity pull on us. So we're going to try that, okay, you guys? So just for a moment, I want you all to just stand up and down. Oh, we're going to try that again. Ready? Up. Yay, down. All right, that's it. Simple as that. Okay, so she tells a story about going to a dinner party, and she sees 92-year-old George Mueller, and he was in a wheelchair. And he says, well, what is your book about? And she says, just getting up and move to age better. And he says, oh, what's that all about? She goes, just get up and down every 30 minutes. That's it. 3 months later, one of the gentlemen at the table said, I went to George Mueller's house for a dinner party, and he answered the door without a wheelchair or a walker. And I said, what is going on? And the wife said, he did it. And the guy said, what did he do? He got up every 30 minutes. So only after 3 months. So that's why I bring this up. Because those of you who know me, I'm a holistic girl. I'd rather do everything the natural way than any other way. So if getting up every 30 minutes is going to help you with your stability, your posture, your balance, why not try that? So you guys are always my guinea pigs, so will you please try that and see, what it feels like? You probably even get a little burst of energy, right? Okay.
So we just get up?
You just get up. Simple as that,
and
right?
Sit down? For how many
All it is, it's once every 30 minutes, that's it.
Just once?
That's it. Why is that so simple? Because what we're doing is we're moving against gravity. We are moving against gravity when we get up. So everyone just get up, right? That whole force of it, we're actually going the opposite way of gravity, helps build our strong bones and our muscles. That's it. And then we go down and then we're all good. We're good for 30 minutes and then we'll get up and go. Okay? Yeah, exactly. So I have to think about that now in chair yoga class. Okay, the second thing, and I really want to bring this up as well, is for all of those when we do the blast-offs and we go up and down, remember, and we use our knees a lot. So she suggests that if you can't do that movement up and down a lot because your knees hurt, we're going to do the gluteus squeeze, but we also named it the butt lift. Okay, so we're all going to do that right now. This is to build strong bones and muscles in your legs. So what you want to do is you want to be in that nice posture we started with, as I mentioned. The feet are flat, the knees over the ankles, right? You're going to push your heels, your big toe mound and your little toe mound into the floor. Push. Let me see. And then pretend you're trying to lift your butt up off the ground. And you want to squeeze your butt. Let me see, Ken. You should get taller right now. Squeeze. Hold. And then release. All right. See, I can double check your work on this one because everyone gets taller on this one. We're going to do it one more time. Here we go. Butt squeeze, push down with your feet. That's the important part. Hold, 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 hold. Okay, and down. Oh, that's work. Last time we're going to hold on to our thighs because I really want you to see how much the thighs are working on this one. Here we go. Push down, lift up. Lift up. Everybody's thighs got super rock hard? Yeah, we're working those quads right now. Hold, and then down. Oh, that's a lot of work, huh? Yeah. Okay.
We're talking at the same time.
I know, exactly. Okay, a little squeeze like this is going to stretch those gluteus muscles, right? So we're calling that the butt lift. So anytime if you're bored, sit around, do the butt lift. Get up every 30 minutes. And thank you, Joan, for that. I appreciate that. I want to know how you did it. Was there one moment that you just got up and you just got it?
Yeah, I was sitting outside in my carport in the sun, and reading the paper, and I decided to go back in the house.
Right.
So I just got on the edge of it, and I stood up.
Wow. And then after that, you just kind of got that mechanic, right? That's all it was.
I was sitting on the. Well, I tried on the toilet seat.
And it worked?
Got up.
Yay, sweetie pie. See, I'm so proud of you. I love it.
All right.
Good girl.